Today I am going to talk about how the Himalayas were formed. The type of plate boundary that created the Himalayas is called a continent-to-continent convergent plate boundary. This is a map that illustrates where the Himalayas are located. You can see here that they are between India and the Asian continent. This is a map illustrating the plate tectonics of the Earth's lithosphere. The continent-to-continent convergence that occurred involved the Indo-Australian plate and the Eurasian plate. This is a map of the supercontinent of Pangaea 250 million years ago. As you can see, what became India is down here by what became Australia, and up here is the Eurasian continent. Around 200 million years ago, Pangaea began to separate. Right here is India. Right here is Australia. And up here is Eurasia. This map illustrates how India began its northward drift through the Tethys Oceans towards Eurasia. This happened around 120 million years ago. It was moving at a velocity of 5 centimeters or about 2 inches per year. The Indian plate drifted towards the Eurasian plate. It drifted rather quickly for a continental drift for an unknown reason that has been a mystery to scientists over the years. Here it shows where it was 70 million years ago, and then 50 million years ago, and then today. When the Indian and Eurasian plate came together, they collided. They had the same density of approximately 2 7/10 grams per cubic centimeter, which made it impossible to push one of the plates under the other. The continents collided because there was no subduction. When they collided, there was a thickening of the crust due to sediment being scraped off of the Indian plate as it tried to subduct but couldn't because of the similar densities. The sediment accumulated and thrust upwards. This created the Himalayas. There are a few volcanoes in the Himalayas, but most are considered non-volcanic. The Indian and Eurasian plates are still in collision with each other, and stress caused by the continuous collision causes earthquakes, makes the Himalayas one of the most seismically active areas in the world.